the best, yes, the best way to get rid of hiccups once and for all. It's a 3-step process, but it only takes maybe 30 seconds to a minute. And by the end of this technique, you should be completely rid of your headaches.
Hiccups.
Now, please note that if you choose to use this information in this video, you are using it at your sole discretion, and you take full responsibility for the use, non-use, or misuse of the information that I'm about to share with you. I would love it if you would stay until the very end, but I also understand that we are busy. There will be a link to forward you to the actual technique itself. The first time I did this video or attempted to do it, I had quite a few hiccups myself. Not real hiccups, but hiccups in the process of making the video. So please stay and watch those until the end. I hope you enjoy the outtakes. I would also love for you to share this video and like it and subscribe if it helped you. And whether it helped or not, I would love for you to share in the comments below, because if it didn't help, I want to help figure out why. The 3 steps are breathing in until you can't stand it anymore, you breathe out until you can't stand it anymore, and then you breathe in until you can't stand it anymore. What I mean is that you are going to be either breathing in or out to the point that it actually causes discomfort. You also may get dizzy using this technique, so please make sure that you're either sitting or you're near something that you can hang on to in case you get lightheaded. So I'm going to actually demonstrate the technique without talking, because if you do any talking or interrupt this pattern at all, it's not going to work. So you've got to follow it through all the way to the end. Breathing in, breathing out, and breathing back in again. And your hiccups should be gone. Now you can see why I said that it's possible that you could get dizzy. Now this is different than just holding your breath. Once you take that deep breath in and you think you're done, you actually need to continue to breathe in and continue to try breathing in. You should feel some discomfort in your rib cage, especially in the back, possibly in the front. You may feel some discomfort over your sternum as well. And breathing out, the same thing. You want to breathe out until you feel a discomfort, and then breathing back in again and continue to try to breathe. Even if you're not breathing in, continue to try to make that effort like you are trying to breathe in. I hope this video makes sense. I am happy to clear up any confusion or misunderstanding if you want to share in the comments. This has been Dr. Jan, your life tour guide, helping wandering visionaries navigate life on their path to fulfillment, and helping people get rid of see, there we go. Another outtake. Get rid of hiccups once and for all. And keep breathing in and keep breathing in until that is so uncomfortable. Let's see if he leaves. Okay, I think he's leaving. Is an issue with your breathing somehow, you may not want to try this technique. Are you serious? He's driving down that way. Please leave the neighborhood. Your own shit. What's the word? And he's still making noise. That's Tucson for you. I want to let you know that if you're choosing to use this technique,